So I just added a video clip to my timeline, and I'll show you how to do some basic trimming. Don't worry, we'll get a bit more advanced as we go along. All right, first things first. Click on the selection tool, or you can press the V key on your keyboard. Now set your time marker where you want to trim the clip to. Click and drag the end of the clip to that marker. Now drag the clip back to the start of your timeline. But wait, here's a cool shortcut if you want to automatically fill in the gap at the beginning without repositioning your clips every time. Just hold down the Control key while dragging your clip to the marker. You can do the same thing to trim the end of your clip, too. Next up, let's make a couple of cuts on the clip. You can either use the razor tool or simply press the C key on your keyboard. Once you've made the cuts, you can trim in the middle of your clips, just like we did for the end. Remember, select the selection tool and drag your clips. And guess what? You can still hold down the Control key to get rid of any unwanted gaps. It's a real time saver. Now, there's one more thing I want to mention. Deleting clips. Let's say you cut out a portion from the middle of your clip, but then you end up with an annoying gap. Well, no worries, just hit the delete key, but this time to avoid shifting everything manually, hold down the shift key while pressing delete. Your clips will automatically shift to the left and you'll have a smooth timeline. So, that's all there is to it.